Hello. It is.
Hello.
Yeah, it's Tuesday Newsday. That's it. We're here. I am Misty. This is my husband,
I'm Jake. I am the husband.
Yes.
And the son of dear
Jake.
said Jenny.
Yeah, Jenny Doan. So,
if you remember, I was on a few shows. I used to do the filming for the YouTube channel, and had my time with a show with Misty for a while. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, we did the lives.
I'm still alive. I'm still here. We're still
here.
thriving.
He is. Yeah. You want to tell people what you've been up to?
Oh, so if you've noticed, if Misty said anything on social media, I've been trying to tell her to spread the word. We have some Airbnbs. I've been working on real estate. We're trying to fix up houses in town and places for you guys to stay. So that's pretty much what I've been focused on recently or the last 2-3 years is working in construction and real estate and building stuff.
It's good. And they're cute. They turned out really good.
Yeah, they're great.
It's super fun.
So come visit us.
Yeah, exactly.
So come visit us.
To Hamilton
Yeah, come
and
to
stay
Hamilton.
with us. So
100%.
we would love that. So yeah, we're here to just chat. I'm getting ready to head out to Quilt Market. So when you watch this, I'll probably be on my way home from Quilt Market. I'm excited.
We're recording early.
Yeah, so that you can have a little message from us before we head that way. So I always look forward to Quilt Market. I get to see everybody and see all the new fabric collections. And
is there anybody that you're particularly excited to see?
Oh, I feel like it's just like a family reunion. I feel like for so many of us, designers in the industry and teachers in the industry, it's like seeing old friends. So I can't think of anyone in particular, but many people that I'm excited to hug and say hello. So
it really is true. Is there a line or anything that would be coming out that you are a certain booth you wanted to check out or no?
I just like
all of it.
All of it, yeah. Well,
the colors.
They're doing Market is doing a big display. I can't remember exactly how many years, maybe 50 years. They're doing
Market?
Yeah, so they're doing a giant quilt display, and I'm really looking forward to that. That's going to be amazing.
That will be fun.
Yeah, I always love the quilt show.
Yeah, the show is okay.
Yeah, and so then Market is the industry side of things. So if you own a shop or are in the industry, then that's what Market is for. And then it opens up to the public for festival. And I won't get to stay for festival this time. It's hard when it's over Halloween.
Yeah. Especially when you love Halloween.
Yeah, and you have kids, so we'll be heading back for that.
Speaking of Halloween.
Yes.
Great transition.
Yeah, good point. So I don't know about you guys, but we were raiding the closet downstairs and found that Jenny keeps a costume bin here at the sewing studio. So we thought we might as well just open it up and see what we can find.
We're trying to find costumes for our Halloween. I'm not saying that right. We're trying to plan our Halloween costumes.
Yeah, which we have.
And Mom normally helps us, but she's gone.
She's not here.
So she's, messing things up. So now we get to dig up some dirty laundry, I guess.
Which is really funny because she has probably 10 bins at her own
house.
At
least.
Oh no, we would have never guessed there was a bin. Am I still in frame?
Yeah.
She has
we would have never guessed that there would be a bin here. We were like, no, there's not gonna be. We went downstairs and this is what we found.
This is what we found. So
first off, the 10-gallon hat.
What is this?
What are these? What are these? Who's the dino?
Collection of slippers.
This is a live reaction.
If Mom's watching this, she is probably horrified right now.
She probably is. Oh my gosh, bat wings! I'm wearing these.
All right, put those on.
Yes, these are amazing.
It's a live reaction. We did not know this before.
Oh.
But you got the devil and the angel.
Oh my goodness! Wait, I thought I was putting these on, but maybe not.
Do these?
They're upside down.
I don't know how these go on. These probably.
Do you guys keep costume bins in your sewing room?
This is gonna fit a child.
Yeah, that does look a little small. Oh, I see a wig.
Bicep wings.
There we go.
Obviously, a lot of feathers. Mom is a fan.
She does love a feather boa. Here we go.
What was this costume?
I have literally no idea.
If you guys can think of what this costume was or could possibly be, put it in the comments.
Is there a block cover that you remember?
Block cover? Have you guys seen this stuff
These
before?
ones light up.
You have glowing lighted. Look at this. Put that on camera.
It's a light up feather boa.
This is amazing. It's magical.
Pretty magical. We have a tutu.
Obviously a tutu. Got to get this baby on.
Please put this wig on, honey.
Okay, you take the hat. I'll take the wig.
Yeah, we'll trade. This is so good.
Look.
I have no idea what this is. I hope Jenny will comment and tell us what in the heck was happening with this bin because I'm dying. This is hilarious. Here's the other
let's
dino
see
clip.
how this is gonna be. This is like, oh, this wasn't my bin. That was Jamie's bin or something. This was Annie's bin.
This is my plan all along. Oh.
What do you think?
Wait, why do you look like Chuck the Duck right now?
Oh my gosh, it is.
Is this Ducky Chuck?
Are these like part of Chuck's costumes?
Also, oh my.
You could be Ariel.
Wait, you put the red one on.
Okay.
And obviously,
Some pearls.
some pearls.
Wait, was this the sew along for the
That could
Oh,
be.
it could be.
the
That
birthday
could
bash?
be.
Maybe that's what it was.
And this
for one
bin
of our
just got
sew
lost.
The
offs.
competition?
Yes. Oh, I
Because
can
I
go-
was gonna
Beauty
make a joke
pearls,
about
Misty?
ketchup and mustard, but then I was like, I think
It's from that.
it's from
I
that.
can't get my
I
hair
do
in.
also have to tell you guys, I'm back. When Mom would clean up, this is how she would like find a pair of slippers. She just put stuff on, so she would just like be completely.
Cleaning the house covered in random things.
Yeah, I'd be like, "What are you?"
There's a lot happening here.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
The colors really are Ariel right now
Yeah,
with the
they
blue.
really are.
Yeah.
So happy Halloween.
We're prepping.
To
We're
all of
planning.
you.
I don't know what we are still. We're completely fully costumed.
Well, we have a pretty good idea
Yes.
of what
Actually, this
is this
is a
close,
good hint
Yeah.
of what Misty's gonna be,
but not Ariel.
but not Ariel. Comic,
true.
think movie, comic booky.
That's what I was just gonna say. So we always do a family theme for our whole extended family, and even though Jenny and Ron have made their way to Africa, Katie, Annie's little sister, is house sitting, and she is still gonna host Halloween at their house. And so she helped us choose a theme, and the theme is movies.
Yes.
So-
So everybody's picking movies,
Yeah.
and
And
Yeah.
and so that we have found
can
something.
we tell them what you're gonna be?
I mean, we could, but I think we should just save it for the pictures.
The green. Just imagine the green,
And
the red hair,
Yeah.
some ivy maybe.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
No, I didn't. That wasn't. I didn't give
can't
it
keep a
away.
secret.
I did not give it
I
away.
wonder
They
where
still
he
won't
gets it.
know. They still won't know. Put your guesses
Someone
down below.
else I know named Jenny
We
Doan.
need engagement on these videos.
Cannot
Please,
keep a
please
secret.
help us, guys. Make some comments, will
Oh my
you?
gosh.
Make fun of us. Attack us.
Oh, you are ridiculous. Either way, we're very excited. It's gonna be a super fun Halloween, and a bunch of my little things that I need to add for the details are supposed to be arriving today and
Yes.
tomorrow. And so I will be frantically finishing costumes when I get back from market.
And
But
for the
that's what
rest-
I do.
And be dressing up for the rest of the week to try to get everything dialed in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
We love it. So
it's awesome.
do you guys do homemade costumes? Because we love it. It's pretty fun.
Yes. And if you can't tell, we're missing Mom. You know, we're in
Yeah.
costume mode. This is definitely Mom's
It's-
genre. So
It's definitely like the first time since they've left that we miss them greatly because
Yeah,
they
she
travel a lot.
she
so.
called me yesterday and we had a good talk and it was fun. But she's like, I'm just barely stopped crying because I miss you guys. I miss everybody. But she's doing so much good stuff over there. So it's like really positive and there's a ton of. And there's a ton of just like good positive things that are going on, and there's this ton of excitement and obviously a lot of like positive vibes, and so that's really amazing. So all on that front, everything's going
All
well.
is well. That's
So you guys
exactly
can be
right.
completely informed.
That's right. And so I'm sure we'll share a picture out of all of us dressed up as we usually do. So you'll get to see that once all the costumes are complete. That'll be fun.
Yes.
So Annie, what else is going on?
I mean, Grandma's tutorial this Friday is the disappearing hourglass,
Okay.
X's and O's quilt.
Disappearing Hourglass, X's and O's. My tutorial will be coming out the day this releases, and that is the Double Square Star 2.0. Super fun block. It's just a different layout than we've done in the past, so check that out as well. And yeah, it's going to be a good week. I hope you guys have a lot of spooky fun gearing up for Halloween.
Is there anything else we need to cover, Annie?
I don't
I
think
don't
so.
think so. I think we're doing good.
Doing good.
All right, yeah.
Is there any questions, guys?
Yeah, let us know if you have questions. And, we might not be back on Tuesday Newsday for a minute, but once we come back, we will answer them.
Oh, 100%.
That's right.
Nothing's off the table.
That's right. We're just open books.
Tell all.
Well, anyway, we hope you guys have a fabulous week and a happy Halloween, and
Yes.
we will see you soon.
See you guys.